Most people choose CRM software based on height. But here's the surprising truth. The best CRM depends entirely on how complex your business actually is. Today we're comparing Method CRM and Go High Level so you don't waste money on the wrong system. Method CRM is designed for small businesses that want simple customer management. It focuses on contact tracking, task management, and integration with accounting tools like QuickBooks. Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing platform. It includes CRM features, but also funnels, email marketing, SMS automation, landing pages, and call tracking. In simple terms, Method organizes relationships. Go High Level automates sales. Method CRM is easier to learn. You can add customers, track interactions, assign tasks, and manage deals without feeling overwhelmed. Most people get this wrong, but complexity kills adoption. If your team won't use it, the software is useless. Go High Level is much more powerful, but also more complex. It's built for agencies, marketers, and businesses running multiple campaigns. You won't believe what happens next. Many small businesses buy Go High Level and only use 20% of its features. Pricing reflects this difference. Method CRM is affordable and predictable. Go High Level is more expensive, but replaces several tools at once. Automation is the biggest gap. Go High Level allows advanced workflows like automated follow-ups, lead scoring, appointment scheduling, and multi-channel marketing. Method keeps automation minimal. So, which is better? Method CRM is better for small teams that want clarity and organization. Go High Level is better for growth-focused businesses that rely on aggressive marketing systems. The surprising truth about CRMs is that more features don't mean better results. Better usage does. If this comparison saved you from overpaying, subscribe for more honest business software breakdowns before committing to expensive tools.